Here's Sage again. She's not doing much, but we know everyone's going through withdrawals and they need a little Sage in their life, so even though she's not doing anything, we'll still get you some wiggles. What are you doing, Sage? We're just wiggling, huh? Yeah, just wiggling. Get into position since she's looking over here. What are you doing? Close up. Were you ready for your close up? No, you weren't, were you? You didn't know it was coming. Say hi. Are you mesmerized? Yeah, mesmerized. Do something fun. Do something. Sticking the tongue out? Yeah?
No, most of our clients keep their home, their cars, and household goods. The Cook Law Firm, 752-3733.
Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Oh, are you kicking? What's wrong? What's wrong? Where you going? Come back. Come back. Are you being shy? Are you being shy? You come back. Okay, it's been almost 3 minutes. Say bye. Say bye. Oh. There. Are you good? Are you serious, Sage? Are you serious? Okay. Say bye. Say I love everybody. Bye.